Hi, my friend. In this super short video, I'll show you how to create a QR code with a YouTube logo and a custom frame. You can download this QR code and use it anywhere, on websites, flyers, or printed materials, without tracking clicks at all. Or what's more interesting, you can save it to your account on QR Code Lab. When you save the QR code, every scan is tracked and shown in your statistics. So let's do a quick example. I'll take a NASA live stream and copy the link. Next, I paste it into the website URL field. Then I select the YouTube logo and choose a frame I like. That's basically it. The QR code is already working, but if I want to track scans, I'll save it to my account. Let's give it a name, NASA. Now I scan the QR code and open the link inside it. After that, I refresh the statistics. And that's it. The scan is recorded. This is a free service. If you found this video helpful, please like it and leave a comment. The link to this service is in the description.